everybody.
Hi.
Good morning. I hope you're all okay today. We're going to start with our phonics song as normal, get our voices warmed up and our listening ears tuned in. Okay, are we ready, Oliver?
Yes.
Today we've got our placemat instruments. So all you need to do is tap your placemat along with the beat as you're singing the song. Okay, ready?
Phonics, phonics time today. Grab yourself a comfy seat, listen to what I say.
Fantastic, right, what voice should we do this morning?
How about a robot voice?
A robot voice, okay, ready?
Phonics, phonics time today. Grab yourself a comfy seat, listen to what I say.
Well, I wonder what voices you could have a go at doing. Okay, thank you for that, Oliver.
Toodaloo.
Right, so today we are going to learn a new sound, but before we do that, I want you to make sure that you have done your blending and segmenting video, and you have done your tricky word video, and you have done your speed sound video. So if you haven't done it already, I want you to pause the video, go and do your blending and segmenting, go and do your tricky words, and go and do your speed sounds, and then you can come back to this one. Okay? So today, let's start by recapping a sound from last week. The sound that we did last week was this one. Can anyone tell me what that is? Well done, it's an E. What is it, everybody? E sound. What is it, everyone? E. So in the E sound, we've got two S, and we put them together like best friends, and they make themselves into an E sound. So if we've got one E on its own, it's E. If we've got two S together, it's E. So let's read some words with E. Let's try this one. Okay, let's do it together. W, E, K. Week. Your turn. Fantastic. Let's try another one. Ooh, I'm going to put a cluster in this one. Let's see if we can remember our clusters. Okay, are we ready? Krr, eek, creak. Your turn. Brilliant, everybody, well done. Let's do one more word. I'm going to put two diagraphs in this one, so I'm going to turn my board around. So let's have a diagraph to start, then another diagraph, and then a single sound. Okay, let's do it together. Are we ready? Sh, eep, sheep. Okay, your turn, everyone. Sheep. Fantastic. Well done. You're doing so well with all your sounds. So last week we learned this one. It was E. What was it, everybody? E. Brilliant. Okay. Let's move on to a new sound today. So, in this new sound, there are two letters. It's another diagraph, and the letters look like this. Big sound button underneath. So we've got an A, and we've got a but we don't say A, we just say one sound, and that is R. What is it, children? R. Can you say that again? R. And again? R. Let's tell a story so we can remember this. So, one day, Oliver was playing in a pirate ship. Here is his pirate ship, and he was sitting here looking very happy, and then the pirate ship came near an island, and on the island was a great big pirate. He didn't look very happy, the pirate. Oliver was scared, so he thought he would say something to the pirate, and he said, "Arr!" What did he say? He said, "Arr!" What did he say? So we can remember this sound by pretending that we are all pirates. So watch Miss Chambers. The sound is arr. What's the sound, everybody? Arr. One more time. Arr. Fantastic. Well done. Good job. Okay. Let's try and read some words with R. Now, if you want to pause the video and pop over to Jolly Phonics, like I showed you in the last video, you can have a look at the R song and see if you can have a sing along to that. Play it as many times as you want until you can remember that sound. Or you can repeat this story if that's going to help you remember it as well. Okay? So let's move on to writing some R words. So I'm going to write the first word and then we're going to read it together. Okay, my turn. K-R, car. Your turn. What's the word, everybody? Car. Fantastic. Okay, let's do another one. Let's try this one. I'll do it first. B-R-N. Barn. Your turn. What's the word, everybody? Barn. Well done. Okay, let's try one more. This time I'm going to put another digraph in there. So we're going to start with a ch. Can we all see that? So my turn. Ch-ar-m. Charm. Your turn. What's the word, everybody? Charm. Your turn. Charm. Well, I wonder what would happen if I put a s on the end of these words. So I'm going to put a s on that one, and a s on that one, and a s on that one. Okay, let's have a look. Cars. Cars. So we knew this word was barn. What happens if we put s on the end? Barns. We knew this word was charm. What happens if we put a s on the end? Charms. Cars, barns, charms. Well done, everybody. Okay, so now if you'd like to pause the video and again go on to the rainbow sheets, there are a list of R words on there. I'd like you now with a member of your family to go through and see if you can read as many R words as you can, okay? And then you can come back. So pause the video now, go read the R words, and then you can come back. Good, well done for doing those words. Okay, now let's just have a look at how we can write a sentence with R. We're going to use an R word to read a sentence with R. So the sentence that we're going to have a look at is this. Okay. let's have a look at this sentence. So we can start with this word. Ooh, it's a tricky word. A tricky word. Can you tell me what that tricky word is? Well done, it's my. Oh, I can spot a word with our new sound R. K-R, car. My car has. My car has. Ooh, we don't need to do anything with this one, we can just say it. Ah. My car has a. Let's look at this word. I can see a digraph here and a digraph here and a single sound here. Let's sound this word out together. Sharp. 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 My car has a sharp what? Let's find out. Bit. My car has a sharp bit. Sorry, hold on 1 second. Sorry about that. My car has a sharp bit. Your turn, everybody. My car has a sharp bit. So we've got a lovely R word here, and we've got a lovely R word here. So parents, if you would like to think of some words with R, you can write them down in a sentence and ask your children to have a read of them. Remember, the more times they get to read a sentence, the more fluent a reader they will be. Okay? So, well done everybody, good work today. Tomorrow we will have a look at how to write words and sentences with R. So have a lovely rest of day, and I will see you in the morning. Bye.